Assalamu alaikum bachcho. As you all know that the books from 6th to 8th class are in the process of change because of SNC implementation. SNC सिंगल नेशनल करिकुलम के मुताबिक किताबों को तब्दील किया जा रहा है, लेकिन जब तक हम इन्हीं किताबों से काम करेंगे और ये याद रखें कि काम मेहनत से करें, तवज्जो से करें, दुरुस्त अंदाज में करें। J1 Class 6, which modern countries make up the subcontinent? The modern countries like Pakistan, India, Bangladesh, Nepal, Bhutan, Sri Lanka and Maldives make up the subcontinent. J1 Science Class 6, what is science? The study of things and events that take place around us is called science. English Class 6 J1, the writer says he has double chin because, इसका आंसर है a bee has stung him under the chin. इसके बाद J2 SST Class 6, why was the subcontinent a suitable place for settlement? इसका आंसर है the subcontinent is suitable for the settlers. Here है हर नहीं है, for its favorable climate, river system, long coastline, abundant sources and flat and fertile land. Science Class 6 Day 2, what does the scientist do? The scientist looks at the things, asks questions about them and tries to find out answer by performing experiments and collecting more information. English Class 6 J2, was the writer fond of food? How can you tell? Yes, the writer was fond of food. He still takes 4 koftas with 2 plates of rice. इसके बाद J3 SST Class 6, question है, how do studying different people living on the subcontinent help us today? It helped us to know how nations are evolved, what are our past and our forefathers, what tradition and culture developed slowly and steadily. Science Class 6, how does a scientist find answer to question? Scientists work in laboratory. They use many instruments in the laboratory, many accurate measurement and calculation. That's how the scientists find the answer of a question. English Class 6 Day 3, Granny surrounded her house with marigold because, इसका आंसर है, she thought that snakes would not come where the marigold is planted. इसके बाद Day 4 Class 6 SST, what was the first non-settlement of the Indus Valley civilization? The first non-settlement of the Indus Valley was Mahargarh, a city of Balochistan. Science 6, what is a laboratory? A laboratory is a place where scientific experiments are carried out. It contains lots of scientific laboratory equipments called apparatus. English Class 6 Day 4, describe how a frog entered the fountain and the house. And number 2 or B, where the frogs were finally sent and why. इसका आंसर है, the frogs were multiplied in season. They were in so much number, that's why they crawled and jumped everywhere. They entered the house. और यही बी का आंसर भी है और यही जो ए का भी आंसर है, तो आपने इसको तवज्जो से ये इस बी का काम है उसको करना है और मेहनत के साथ करना है। अस्सलाम वालेकुम बच्चों, as you all know that the books from 6th to 8th class are in the process of change because of SNC implementation. SNC सिंगल नेशनल करिकुलम के मुताबिक किताबों को तब्दील किया जा रहा है, लेकिन जब तक हम इन्हीं किताबों से काम करेंगे और ये याद रखें कि काम मेहनत से करें, तवज्जो से करें, दुरुस्त अंदाज में करें। Day 1 Class 6 Which modern countries make up the subcontinent? The modern countries like Pakistan, India, Bangladesh, Nepal, Bhutan,